Hi, welcome to this brain retraining visualization story. I'm so glad that you are joining me. In today's visualization, we are going to be resting in a cozy cabin during a gentle rain. So take a moment to get comfortable. Let your shoulders relax. Take a slow breath in and gently let go. As I speak this in a first-person narrative, let this become your reality. Not just something that you're imagining, but something you are experiencing right now. I hope that you will let every detail feel real, as if you are truly there. Let's begin. I'm inside a warm, cozy cabin, nestled deep in the forest. The air outside is cool and fresh, carrying the crisp scent of pines and damp earth. Through the wide windows, I see the soft gray sky, the gentle mist rolling between the trees, and the steady, soothing rhythm of raindrops tapping against the roof. The rain falls in a soft hush, wrapping everything in a cocoon of stillness. It's the kind of rain that makes the world feel quiet, like nature itself is resting. And here, inside this warm cabin, I feel so deeply safe. I take a slow breath in, inhaling the scent of the cabin, aged wood, a hint of vanilla from a candle flickering on the table, and the faint, comforting aroma of something warm steeping in the kitchen. It's the kind of scent that makes me exhale in contentment. I stretch my arms above my head, feeling the gentle pull in the muscles before I let them drop back down, loose and relaxed. My whole body feels heavy in the best way, like I'm sinking into the warmth of this place, fully supported. I step closer to the large window, resting my fingertips against the cool glass. Outside, the rain glistens on the leaves, turning them a deeper green. Droplets cling to the branches, catching the light before they drip down in slow, steady beads. Everything feels alive and refreshed. A deep sense of ease fills my chest, the kind of ease that makes my breath become slower and my shoulders drop and my mind quiet. I feel it all through me, this peace, this safety. I turn away from the window and move toward the fireplace, where golden flames flicker and crackle softly. The warmth reaches out to me, wrapping around my skin like a thick, comforting blanket. I settle into a chair nearby, pulling a soft knit throw over me. The fabric is warm and familiar against my hands. It's textured and cozy, and I sink in deeper, my whole body melting into comfort. Beside me on the table, a steaming mug waits. I lift it, letting the heat soak into my palms before bringing it close to my lips. The scent is rich and inviting. I take a slow sip. The warmth spreads through me instantly, tracing a path down my throat, into my chest, radiating outward like a gentle glow. I close my eyes for a moment, just listening. The rain, steady and rhythmic. The crackling of the fire. The occasional soft creak of the wooden walls as they settle around me, holding me in their quiet strength. Here in this place, there's nothing to do, nothing to fix, and nothing to solve. Just this moment, just this warmth, just this deep, quiet contentment. A slow smile comes to my lips, effortlessly. I feel it in my chest too. This small, glowing joy that rises up from somewhere deep inside. It's a feeling of being held, of being home. I take another sip, letting the warmth spread again through me. The feeling grows. This sense of being completely at ease, completely safe. It settles into my body, in my breath, in the way I hold myself. It's a feeling I can return to anytime. I breathe in deeply, filling my lungs with the comforting scent of this space. And as I exhale, I let go of anything I don't need, any tension, any weight that doesn't belong. It drifts away as easily as the steam rising from my cup. I open my eyes again, watching the rain slide down the window in glistening trails. I feel the fire's warmth on my skin. And the softness in the blanket. And the stillness inside of me. This is mine to keep. This feeling. This ease. It's part of me now. And I know when I step out of this moment, when I return to the rest of my day, this warmth, this peace will stay with me. I take one last deep breath in, letting it expand through my whole body, filling every corner of me with safety, with comfort. And as I exhale, I carry this feeling forward.